Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve this LeetCode problem which is transformed array. What this problem says that we have been given a nums array and we have to create a new array named as result, okay, which will be of same size as our nums array, okay. And what are the operations that we have to perform? The operations that we have to perform if the nums of I is greater than 0, then we have to move that number of time to right side and take that number in our result of I. And if it is l- less than 0, then we'll move to left side and take that number and move, take that number in our result of I. Let's see what this says with an example, then you will understand much better. Okay, if this is our nums array, okay, suppose here it is 3. 3 is greater than 0, obviously, then we'll move 3 this side. Moving 3 steps this side, we'll get our 1. Then in our result, this was our nums array, this is our result array. Then in result array, we'll put 1. Okay. Here it is minus 2. Then we'll move to left 2 steps. 1 and 2 over here. Then we'll get 1. Okay. Because it is a circular movement, then if here we don't have any, we'll come back to here. And if we don't here, then we'll go back to here. Okay. Do you understand? Then what else? That allow we have 1, then we'll move one step towards right, and here also we have one step towards right will bring us to 3. This would be our final result array. Now how we'll solve this using code, how we'll write it, let's see. So what we have been given a nums array, okay. Then we can simply define our variable n in which we'll store the size of that nums array, okay. Then we'll define our answer vector which will be of same size as our nums array. Okay. Then we'll iterate through nums array I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. And what we'll do, we'll define the index for which we'll have the operation which is I plus nums of I. Whatever the value, we'll move that value forward. Okay, if it would be minus, then simply it would be minus, then it will go left side, and simply we'll do mod of n. Okay, then after doing mod of n, because in C++ mod of n can give us negative value also, we'll do plus n one more time, and again we'll do mod of n to make it circular. Okay, at last we'll have our answer in j, and simply our answer of I will contain our nums of j. Okay, and we'll simply return our answer array. Okay, this was a very simple problem. If you have any doubt or any suggestion, just put it in the comment section and keep learning.